ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यान मूलम गुरुमूर्ति पूजा मूलम गुरुपदम मंत्र मूलम गुरुवाक्यम मोक्ष मूलम गुरुकृपा। अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन अचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम। जय राम जय श्री राम। जय राम जय राधे श्याम। जय श्याम जय श्री राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम। ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो नारायण। जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता की पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश देवा। जय गणेश श्री गणेश देवा। जय गणेश देव। हरि ओम तत्सत। हरि ओम। Today we celebrated Yoga International Day. 21st of June we celebrate International Yoga Day throughout the world. More than 160 countries we celebrate the day. Yoga is very popular throughout the world. Doesn't matter which country you live, where you live. But yoga is a need of our yoga, not yoga, yoga real meaning. Yoga, viyoga, bhoga, roga, karma and dharma. Yoga means union. Viyoga means separation. Bhoga means excess of enjoyment. And roga means disease. Karma, word, thought, action. And dharma, the duty. The yoga, the sixth word is very important to understand. In life, we need peace, joy, happiness, courage, willpower, tranquility, harmony, healthy body, healthy mind, healthy emotion, healthy thinking, balanced way of thinking. When the mind is peaceful, joyful, happy, experience the peace. Peace, the Shanti. Without Shanti, without peace, we cannot survive. We need peace. We need joy. We need happiness. We need willpower, courage. This is positive aspect we need in life. But nowadays, man is suffering. Suffering is a creation of the own mind. Because we want millions of desire. When the desire don't fulfill, you become uncontentment and suffering started. So we have to learn how to balance your attitude toward the life. I'm very happy the celebration of the Yoga Day throughout the world. All countries, Israel, Libya, Iran, Iraq, Balochistan, Pakistan, India, Latin America, Central America, North America, South America, everywhere more than 180 countries are celebrating today. And they started from United Nations, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and this is the sixth year of every day celebration. Narendra Modi was a very important, he's a yogi really. He practicing yoga and teaching yoga, and he live yogic life. His unique politics. I don't want to talk any politics, but I know personally he's a good guy. He's a balanced mind, steady mind. The yoga is a universal science of mankind, because yoga karmasu kaushalam. Every action you should perform balanced way. Every action you perform, word, thought and deed, what you think, what you talk and what you act, the coordination of your action, that becomes yoga. And if you don't follow that pattern, sometimes people think differently, talk differently, and act differently. That is called viyoga. There is no coordination what you think, what you talk. You have to learn that system. Yoga, viyoga. Unhealthy body, unhealthy emotion, unhealthy senses, distract mind. That is viyoga. So, yogic science is a, God has given this kind of tool. The origin of the yoga start from Lord Shiva. Shiva called Yogeshwar, and Lord Krishna called Yogeshwar. Shiva teach yoga to his consort Parvati, the Shakti, the Uma, sitting in the bank of the river Ganga. She's asking, "Oh my Lord, the world is suffering. The world is suffering. Lot of problem in the world. Give something tool for them." So the person live the normal plane, that can happy. They can be contentment. They can experience the existence of divine themselves. So while conversation between Shiva and Shakti, they are sitting at the bank river Ganga. Now, some has to take the message. So, Matsyendranath, the fish, was making movement and listening. The first you call Matsyendranath. Machi means the fish. To Matsyendranath, the yogi, they give the life of the fish to the yogi, and his disciple Matsyendranath Gorakhnath. So traditionally, the yoga born long, thousands and thousands and millions ago. Another aspect, Lord Krishna, according Vedic philosophy, Krishna is incarnation of Lord Narayana, Vishnu. He was a supreme being. And he has a disciple, is Arjuna. The Arjuna, his 5 brothers, and he has cousin 100 brothers. So in between they have war, Arjun and Kaurava. They are Pandava and Kaurava. So Arjun went to the Lord Krishna, "Oh Lord, my brother, my cousin brother want to take the kingdom and take me exile. So, give me some help. And I don't want to make a war. Because war against my own cousin brother, all my family, what that war is going to, I will not be happy. So Lord Krishna in the battlefield, he give, the war remain 18 days, 18 chapter Bhagavad Gita, 18 chapter, and 18 first teaching of Lord Krishna to Arjuna, Vishad Yoga. Vishad means when the person or unstable mind, he don't know how to take a decision. He don't know how to do his karma and dharma. So that the first chapter called Vishad Yoga according to the Bhagavad Gita. He give him, follow your duty, follow your karma, do your dharma properly, be courageous, be calm and cool. So this is the beginning of yoga. All the yoga teacher, I'm a Swami, I'm practicing more than 60 years, learned teaching from my Guru Satyananda Paramahansa. Yoga teachers should be studied thoroughly Bhagavad Gita. Essence of yoga is in Bhagavad Gita. All type of yoga. Vishad Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga, Sannyas Yoga, Sankhya Yoga. All Lord Krishna give that teaching. And that the yoga really need human being right now. Because right now we are suffering the same happened with Arjuna. Imbalanced personality. Economically, socially, personally, disease, all kind of imbalance. This type we needed. But now, yoga, practicing, don't understand my teacher, my dear friend, yoga teacher listening me. Yoga is not only not Hatha Yoga, physical exercise. Yoga is science of soul. This is the tool if you practice asana pranayama. But yoga more than that. Yoga, chitta rutti nirodha. How to balance the mind, how to transcend the mind. Ultimately, purpose of yoga to realize yourself. You are not the body, not the mind, nor the senses, nor the intellect, nor the emotion. You are immortal being. You never born, you never die. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 years, God has given this body to do that good action, good deed. Moment you born, we come with return ticket. One day we are going to die. Death means mrityu. Mrityu means maran. Maran means expired to death. But we fear to death. That's the philosophy, innate philosophy. Practical aspect of yoga, profound aspect of yoga. The Swamis, the teacher, the Guru, the Rishis, Maharshi, they live with the Guru 12 years. Study whole philosophy of yogic life. Understand the state of mind. Understand the Supreme Presence within you. Then fear, anger, worries, all negativity disappear. When you put a light, automatically dark disappear. Increase of spiritual wealth, you develop confidence, courage, willpower, you don't have to fear anything. Because we are living in the worldly life, we have duty to yourself, your family, your friend, and your society. So that's why man need to educate our mind, our emotion, increase spiritual wealth. We send our children to the school, college, university. My dear son became a doctor, lawyer, engineer, businessman, Nothing wrong. We need engineer, we need doctor, we need all kind of professional person because this world need. But that is only one type of to get a degree and have a diploma, degree, and get the money and live a balanced life. But being a doctor, being a lawyer, being a businessman, you got a wealth, spiritual property, but you cannot be happy. Money is need, that Lakshmi, but you cannot be happy. That's why we have to learn the philosophy of life. We practice some religion, in the world is full of religion. Hinduism called Sanatan Dharma. Hindu religion Sanatan. Sanatan means there is no beginning, no end. Then we have different religion. Muslim, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Taoism, Jainism, Judaism. Hundreds of type of religion we have. Nothing wrong to practice religion. But religion also union to the divine. We go to the mandir. Mandir. Man means look within. Your body is a mandir. Mandir is not just like a temple. We go mandir, we call Hindi called mandir means the temple. Body is a temple. Look that God is living within you. So practicing religion, nothing wrong. Every religion is good. Paths are different, goal is the one. All the religion, doesn't matter Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jews, or whatever religion exists, you practice is good. But be a good person, be a human being. Respect everyone. Love everyone, give everyone. Means you practice yoga. But we go to the church and temple and synagogue and different place to ask, begging the God, God, give me this, give me this, give me this. And if you don't fully desire this, I believe in the God. God is not, you don't make a business with the God. Give love to the God. Give your love, give your joy, and you fulfill your desire, God will give you. Wants are more, but need is minimum. Desire are too much. God give what you needed. Look, the prana, the air which you inhale, Surya Devata, Surya means sun, come every day and give for vitality. Sun don't ask anything to you. Without breathing we cannot live. We live on the earth. Divine Mother never tired, you're walking. She gave everything, all kind of food we eat come from the earth. We have fire, air, everything caught from the food we eat it. All vegetable, food we eat come to earth. God has a plan, everyone, He don't want you should be hungry. But man hungry, He don't fulfill your spiritual food. We have body, we have mind, and we have soul. Soul, the spirit, the Atma, Jivatma, invisible way. You cannot see the sweetness in sugar. The sweetness is invisible. Sugar is visible. The body is visible, growing, growing. We become little baby, teenager, middle age, old age. But what is not changed? Your soul is the same. So we have that. We have the soul, the spirit invisible. Individual soul connected to the cosmic soul. That is the union with the two, cosmic soul. That is real yoga. Yoga is not just like a practice, simple you do. You don't make teacher in 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. We have to profound understanding the practice of yoga. Generally, we teach. We have to live, to be a Swami, you have to live with the 12 years with the Guru. 12 years under the Guru, Sadguru, who is the right Guru, right person. He guide, he inspire, he motivate, he give the tool, and you can use that tool for your other person. He never asks anything. My Guru never asked me anything. He said, I'm not asking, give your mind, give emotion, give faith, and be happy. And share happiness with other people. The celebration International Day means bring the world is peaceful, joyful. That's really. Hate, anger, worries, preoccupation, these are the poison. The poison, one time person eat and die. But too much worry, too much anger, too much frustration, too much sadness and preoccupation, waste of energy. So that's the yoga, how to clean your subconscious mind. When your clothes is dirty, you put your clothes in the dishwasher, and dishwasher you put that soap or anything dishwasher, I don't know what you have. You put there, and the machine run, and after the 45, 50 minutes or 30 minutes, the clean clothes, and then you dry the clothes. So you clothe with the soap, with the powder, be clean, and clothes become dirty. When the mind becomes dirty, what you clean your mind? My dear friend, you have to learn, clean the mind. And the soap of mantra, bhajan, kirtan, positive attitude, thinking, not harming no one. Ahimsa parmo dharma. Gandhiji said, ahimsa parmo dharma, not to harm no one, means cleaning the mind. Jain dharma is very powerful. Believe or not, I was Jaini, my father was Jaini. I am Jaini. I know Jain philosophy, but I met the Guru and practicing Sanatana Dharma, yogic life. Soap to clean the clothes, bhajan, kirtan, meditation, mantra, all the different tools, the prayer, positive thinking, cleaning the mind, and lower mind convert the cosmic mind. Street edge of mind, conscious mind which you are living, hearing, listening, touching, sensory mind. Night we sleep, we dream, and we wake up. But who never sleep? The invisible, your soul. Night we dream, sometimes night we dream, you become a king. When we wake up, when we wake up, we are the same person. Dream sometimes came true, but it's always false dreams. The daytime also this just like a dream. Our great master of master called Jaguru Shankaracharya. He used to say, Jagat Mithya Brahma Satya. What you see, daytime, this is the truth, or this is the dream. What is truth? What is reality? Reality is permanent. When you see daytime, pleasure, pain, happiness, sadness, my house, my mother, my father, my brother, my country, my anything, my car. When you sleep, you forget everything. You forget everything. And you're in the dream. The waking state, dreaming state and sleeping unconscious state of the mind. When you're unconscious state, sleeping, you're totally unaware. But when you always never sleep, that is your consciousness. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious, and superconscious. Pure state of mind that come to you. Children, they are pure. Children, they don't know how to read or write, but their smiling make you happy. Be a children of the God. God means G-O-D, who create, who operate, and who destroy negative thing. G-O-D, creator, or operator, destroyer. The God is within with you. This body is temple. This body is a temple. Clean your body, clean your mind, and feel solid within you. The fear disappeared. Develop confidence, willpower. Doesn't matter what situation you have. Suffering for economically, socially, emotionally, relation. You get married with someone, you have 2 children, live 3, 4 years, 5 years, and I don't like this, and then they hold. That's not the love. Love is permanent, pure love. That is called passion, emotion. You cannot cut a water with a knife, my dear friend. If you love someone, there's eternal love. Relation between you, your wife, is a pure relation. She's a mother, she's a friend, she's a wife, but she's the mess consultation. Respect. Husband and wife, they should respect. Then you don't have divorce. Divorce, separation. You cannot divorce your mom, your dad. Why? Wife, you live, spend time, and something don't like. That is called passion, moha. Moha and maya. So establish relation, help of the Guru. And this path, we need a nice guidance. Who guidance, impartial guidance. The Guru, the two words. Guru, remover of ignorance, avidya, asmita, giver of wisdom. That the master, the spiritual guide. And that guide, there are few persons left in the world. I'm very happy I got my Guru Satyananda Paramahamsa. He teach me all these 60 years. He is not physically, but still I feel he is there. Sometimes I wake up, I say he walking in my garden. Sometimes I wake up, sitting in that chair. Presence of the Guru is important. Guru guide you properly. He don't ask anything to you. He don't ask anything. Give. So that's the way. Yoga practitioner needs some spiritual guidance, the Guru. And the philosophy learned from the book. But going to the God, the important. Follow the spiritual path, Guru is the important thing. I'm not the Guru or no one. I'm a follower of my Guru. I'm teaching. I follow the path. I'm not that perfect person. Human being is not perfect. Always there is something. 5 fingers, they're not perfect. But if you need something, you 2 fingers, 3 fingers. If you need heavy, 5 fingers. The life is nothing perfect, but perfection, the God. So yogic life means simple life, powerful life, calm life, don't harm. If you cannot give peace and harmony, pleasure to no one, you don't have a right to make unhappy, sad and nervous and give things. This simple thing. The meaning of yoga, celebrate International Yoga Day, not performing that physical exercise, breathing, relaxation, meditation. Meditation happen. Meditation is a state of mind. You don't have to go any school, college, or university to learn your mom, love of mom. The same as meditation means the love. Unconditional love to the God and the Guru. If you love your Guru unconditionally, if you love the God, God works through you, talk through you, think through you. You are never alone. You need the relation. You need the person. So, my dear friend, celebration of the International Day means be happy, joy and contentment. The different type of yoga, generally we classified your integral system of yoga which we teach Swami Shivananda. First called Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga and Gyan Yoga. Karma Yoga, we all are Karma Yogi. Karma means doing action with the hand, looking, hearing, touching, thinking, working. You do karma. Good karma and bad karma. When you look with a beautiful eyes, happy. Hand use wonderful. Think wonderful. Doing good karma, good action. Karma without expectation of the fruit. If you put a mango tree, you're not getting orange or banana. To do good karma, you get good action. But good karma and bad karma. Bad karma means harming other people, sometimes harming yourself. So, karma yoga, without expecting the fruit. Do your action without expectation. It take a time. You put a mango tree, it take a time to get a mango, 5, 6 years. Anything you do in the life, do karma, do action. Without help other people, help yourself, help your family. They are doing karma yoga without expecting anything to. So karma yoga is a very primal yoga. All I am karma yoga. I am teaching yoga, teaching everything, talking. This what I do. This is my karma yoga. I don't expect. So without expectation of the fruits, That's Karma Yoga. Another called Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti, the devotion, the love. We love your mother or father or brother or sister. We love everything. But I love and then immediately I say hate. So hate and love, hot and cold go together, gain and loss. But real bhakti, that bhakti, unconditional bhakti to the God and Guru and the people, you want everything you perform without of love, out of joy, with happiness. Don't use your mind or mouth unnecessary screaming and talking bad. If you practice Bhakti Yoga, Kirtan, Bhajan, Mantra, service of the people. So Bhakti Yoga, emotional temperament. Karma Yoga, dynamic temperament. Then Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Patanjali. The Patanjali was a great master, discovery of the philosophy of mind. If you understand the mind and emotion, study Patanjali Yoga Sutra. He gave Ashtanga Yoga, aim, niyam, asan, pranam, dhyan, dharana, samadhi. Ashtanga, 8 limb. But people don't practice, don't learn properly. We study it thoroughly. But the rational temperament who practice predominantly Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga also include Kriya Yoga. The Kriya Yoga science of soul. There are different kind of hundreds of yoga people can describe. But fourth yoga, according to integral system, Jnana Yoga. Gyan, the knowledge, the wisdom. Who am I? What is my purpose? Why I come here? Reading Bible, Quran, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vedanta, all the scripture, reading the scripture and using the scripture to transcend the intellect to the intuition, developing peace, shanti. To practice, study integral system of yoga, dynamic temperament, Karma Yoga, dynamic, Bhakti Yoga, emotional temperament, rational temperament, Raj Yoga, and intellectual temperament, Jnana Yoga. 4 types of yoga, but one predominate. What is your personality? Are you emotional? Are you rational? Intellectual? So according your personality, sorry, I have to drink little water. Sorry. So Karma Yoga, dynamic personality. Bhakti Yoga, emotional. Woman most are the emotional and devotional. Raj Yoga, rational and psychic temperament. And Jnana Yoga, yoga of knowledge and wisdom. That study Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vedanta, Upanishad, Bible, Quran. Guru Nanak, Sikh, founder of Sikh religion. So 4 types of yoga you study, but teacher will tell you what kind of yoga is supposed to follow. And then you can journey of life will be happy. Not to fear anything. This is a material world. We want accumulate so many things and we don't know what it is. To survive you don't need so many things. But man is miserable because he wants collection so many things. Name, fame and money, that is obstacle. Politician, they want name, fame and money. And they always become miserable. Now what is happening around the world? Karuna. I call Karuna. The Karuna, compassion. Think positive, act positive, be positive, and my life should be peaceful. I cannot negotiate my peace of mind, anything. But little thing, little fire, burn the house. The same knife, you can cut the food, and same knife you can cut your finger. The same energy you can destroy the relation, little word, and same energy you can build the relation. The yoga is a total science of humanity. That I understand. Yoga is every solution you will find if you study Bhagavad Gita. Practice and change the quality of life. Practice yoga. But people become a teacher, commercial teacher, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I used to do 9-month course yoga teaching. Profound teaching. But it's a beginning. Today everyone celebrating, they do all the yoga teacher. At Santo Domingo, I have saw they would do wonderful work. Many teachers we have. We have Trinidad, we have Guatemala, Italy. Everywhere we have a lot of teachers everywhere. We have ashram in Munger, India. We have wonderful ashram there. So, learn, practice, and change the quality of life. If you are a yoga practitioner, yoga and Ayurveda also another science. Ayush, the Minister of Ayush in India, because Narendra Modi was a Prime Minister, he started Department of Ayurveda in New Delhi. Ayurvedic science, science of life. Ayurveda and yoga go together. But Ayurveda study properly, yoga study properly, the total marriage between yoga and Ayurveda and life can be balanced life. So, my dear friend, I don't want to talk. I want practice, make man perfect. Be a simple, humble life. Change the quality of life and be happy. Problem will come and go. But you have the key of all the problem. When your mind is strong and steady, the body is healthy, disease will not come. What is happening, this corona disease, nothing but the air, the virus spreading. Practice pranayama, practice meditation, go in the fresh air, think positive, act positive, and you can eradicate the disease of same time. So, I know so many people is coming, listening, but practice it. Next year we will celebrate it Guru Purnima, the full moon day, 5th of July, the Guru Purnima full moon day. And I will invite it, we'll make something nice program. I know we cannot come together all, but doesn't matter where you are, we can celebrate that wonderful day of Guru Purnima. So anyhow, whatever I say to you, if you don't like, you are ready to give up. What you like, bring in practice. I'm not completely perfect. Egoless, humble and simple, I'm talking my heart. The knowledge coming within me, and I'm giving to you. I'm not giving any kind of advice, but I'm giving this kind of suggestion. It is up to you to follow. Sorry. Om Samno Mitrasam Samna Varunaha Samno Bhavatvarima Samnendro Brahaspatihi Samno Vishnu Rurukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tameva Pratyaksham Brahmase Tameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanmavatu Tadbhaktaramatu Avatu Mam Avatu Bhaktaram Om Shanti 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 Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Drunam Tvameva Sarvam Madeva Om Shanti Shanti Hari Om Tat Sat Hari Om. Lot of love and blessing.